Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Tips. Do you get confused about English tenses? Do you wonder when to use go, went, have gone, or will go? Don't worry, in this lesson you will master all the English verb tenses in a simple and easy way. We'll explain each tense with clear rules, everyday examples, and common mistakes. Watch until the end because you'll also get a quick review and practice sentences. Let's begin. What is a verb tense? A verb tense tells us when an action happens. There are three main times: present, happening now or regularly; past, already happened; future, will happen later. Each time has four forms: simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. That makes 12 English tenses. Let's learn them one by one. Part 1. Present tenses. 1. Present simple. Structure: subject plus base verb. For he, she, and it, add s or es. Examples: I work every day. She works in a hospital. They play football every Sunday. The sun rises in the east. When do we use it? Daily routines, facts, habits, schedules. More examples: I drink coffee every morning. He studies English every night. My parents live in Ethiopia. The train leaves at 8 o'clock. Common mistake: he work every day. Correct: he works every day. 2. Present continuous. Structure: subject plus am, is, or are plus verb plus ing. Examples: I am studying English now. She is cooking dinner. They are watching TV. Use: something happening now, temporary situations, future plans. Examples: I am reading a book now. We are learning grammar today. She is meeting her teacher tomorrow. Common mistake: I studying English. Correct: I am studying English. 3. Present perfect. Structure: subject plus have or has plus past participle. Examples: I have finished my homework. She has visited London. We have eaten breakfast. Use: experience. Action finished recently. Action connected to the present. Examples: I have lost my keys. He has just arrived. Have you ever seen snow? Common mistake: I have went. Correct: I have gone. 4. Present perfect continuous. Structure: subject plus have been or has been plus verb plus ing. Examples: I have been studying for 3 hours. She has been working since morning. Use: action started in the past and continues now. Examples: they have been waiting since 8 a.m. He has been exercising for 2 months. Part 2. Past tenses. 5. Past simple. Structure: subject plus verb past. Examples: I visited my grandmother yesterday. She cooked dinner. We watched a movie. Use: finished actions in the past. Time words: yesterday, last week, last year, 2 days ago. 6. Past continuous. Structure: subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing. Examples: I was sleeping. They were playing football. Use: an action in progress in the past. Examples: I was reading when my friend called. She was cooking while I cleaned the house. 7. Past perfect. Structure: subject plus had plus past participle. Examples: I had finished my homework before dinner. She had left before I arrived. Use: an action completed before another past action. 8. Past perfect continuous. Structure. Subject plus had been plus verb plus ing. Examples. He had been working for 5 hours before he took a break. They had been waiting for a long time. Use. Shows duration before a future point. Easy timeline. Present, happening now. Past, already finished. Future, not yet happened. Simple, routine or complete action. Continuous, action in progress. Perfect, completed action. Perfect continuous, duration of an action. Common verbs. Go, went, gone. Eat, ate, eaten. See, saw, seen. Write, wrote, written. Speak, spoke, spoken. Take, took, taken. Come, came, come. Do, did, done. Give, gave, given. Know, knew, known. Practice. Say these aloud. I study English every day. I am studying English now. I have studied English for 3 years. I have been studying since morning. Yesterday, I studied English. I was studying when my friend called. I had studied before the exam. I had been studying for 2 hours before dinner. Tomorrow, I will study English. Tomorrow at 8 p.m., I will be studying English. By next week, I will have finished the course. By next month, I will have been studying English for 1 year. Common mistakes. She go to school. Correct, she goes to school. I have ate lunch. Correct, I have eaten lunch. He don't like coffee. Correct, he doesn't like coffee. We was happy. Correct, we were happy. I am agree. Correct, I agree. Learning tips. Read English every day. Speak out loud. Write 5 sentences using each tense. Watch English videos with subtitles. Practice with friends. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Review the tenses every week. Quick quiz. I blank breakfast every morning. Answer, eat. She blank TV now. Answer, is watching. They blank to Kenya last year. Answer, went. We blank our homework already. Answer, have finished. I blank you tomorrow. Answer, will call. Great job if you answered them correctly. Congratulations! Today you learned all 12 English verb tenses. Remember, practice a little every day. Speak as much as possible. Read, listen, and write in English. The more you practice, the more natural English will become. Thank you so much for watching Learn English with Tips. If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Write 1 sentence in the comments using your favorite verb tense, and I'll be happy to read it. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English with confidence. Goodbye.